What is up? In yesterday's video, we spoke about Twitter ticketed spaces. In this particular video, we're going to talk about what are Twitter spaces 2021. I'm going to show you how to create Twitter spaces on your mobile application, how to share Twitter spaces, how to add guests in Twitter spaces, and this is the most popular one, how to schedule a Twitter space. Let's get started. Alright, so here we are on my mobile screen. Basically, what are Twitter Spaces? Twitter Spaces are nothing but it's basically a group that you can create on Twitter wherein you can have audio conversation. It's similar to the Clubhouse application, and Twitter has introduced it later after Clubhouse introducing that new the latest feature. Anyway, it's basically audio conversations. You can have conversations about anything. You can have it with the people who are, probably you're mutually interested in a particular topic, and it can be literally about anything. Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, anything in your life. If you have people who are interested in a particular topic, yeah, you can go ahead and start a conversation through your Twitter space. Coming to the point where how does Twitter space work? So this is basically a graph that has been provided by Twitter. It gives you a gist of what exactly are Twitter spaces. You can add up to 10 speakers. You can invite anyone on Twitter to speak. Anyone on Twitter can listen except the accounts you have blocked. So the accounts you have blocked, they are not going to be able to see the spaces that you have created or hear them probably. Your space, your rules. As host, you can mute, change who's speaking and remove guests, so on and so forth. So this was the gist of how it works. Now I'm going to take you to the actual screen, and the way you go ahead and create your spaces, just click on this, the way we tweet, click on this spaces button over here, and this particular screen is going to pop up in front of you. The moment it pops up, you can go ahead and name your space. For the demonstration purpose, I'm going to name it as test, and you can go ahead and start your space, or you can basically how to schedule a Twitter space. This is the answer. You can go ahead and schedule the space it for later. You just need to click on that particular schedule it for later wala part, and you can select the date and time and just click on the next button. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and just keep the same thing. What is the time right now? 5:27. Alright, I'm just gonna keep the same thing. I'm gonna click on the next button over here, and it will be scheduled. So basically, I don't know if I can move this camera a bit. Yeah. So your scheduled space, it's gonna show me what exactly is the name, what time is it scheduled for, and it will give me an option to share. So how to share Twitter Spaces? This is how you can just go ahead and click on your share button. I'm gonna check what exactly are the options. So either you can go ahead and copy the link and paste it manually on other social network platforms that you want to go ahead and post it on, or you can share it via tweet or invite people via a DM. I'm not gonna do any of this. It was just for a test purpose. And you can go ahead and cancel this particular space. I'm gonna cancel it, and it's gonna give the space has got cancelled. Another thing that we were going to see was how to add guests on your Twitter spaces. So basically, just go on that spaces feature again. I'm gonna go ahead and name it as test, and this time I'm gonna go ahead and start the space. So this is how your space is going to look, and these are the features. Coming to the features, this is the way you can go ahead and share the particular space. Again, just give the same particular options, the three DM and copy the link and so on and so forth. This is the way you can go ahead and raise hands. For example, if there are a lot of people who are talking. Alright, so I had to stop the particular recording. I thought that it is not getting recorded. My voice is not getting recorded because of this mic on and off feature over here. Now it is on and off and so on and so forth. Anyway, what I was talking about, you can raise the hands. Imagine that a lot of people are talking in this particular space, and if you want to raise, like if you want to talk and you're on mute, you can just click on any of the particular emoticons which are given over here, or it's basically a way of expressing yourself, and it's quite cool though. Anyway, about adding, what was that particular question? How do you go ahead and add guests? How to add guests in Twitter Spaces? This is the option that you're gonna get. You can go ahead and add up to 10 speakers, so 10 people can speak at a time. The listeners doesn't matter because there are gonna be innumerable listeners. Whoever is on Twitter can listen to your space, except if you haven't blocked them or their particular account. So that's one of the thing, and whoever wants to go ahead and listen, you're gonna get this request and so on and so forth over here, so you can go ahead and keep on checking them. Also, you can go ahead and remove people. So I don't have anyone right now added on this particular space, so I can't show you unfortunately that thing, but please don't hate me for that, and please like the video if you're finding this particular information information helpful. Anyway, the last option we have over here is basically to give adjust the settings, share your feedback with Twitter if you face some difficulties on your Twitter spaces, view the rules. These are again Twitter's rules, so these are not, I mean, it's not going to give you a personal way of adding your rules the way we have it on Reddit subreddits, or on Quora or so on and so forth. It's not basically that. And then there is an option for viewing the captions. Now I'm just gonna check what exactly are adjust settings. Basically the adjust settings mein there is nothing too extensive. It's basically to view the captions. This will allow you to see captions that have been shared by other people in this Twitter space or space, however. And there are sound effects. I don't know how those sound effects work, but you can go ahead and turn on and turn off those particular things the way you want it. You can go ahead and adjust those settings. And once you are done with everything, once you are done with this particular space, you can go ahead and end it. But before that, do not forget to turn on your mic. Because right now it is off because there is no one, and I really don't want this space to go live or something like that. As in, it's already live, but I don't want people to listen anything on this. Anyway, but do not forget to turn on your particular mic on the space, and I'm going to end this particular space right now. So click on end, and it's going to ask for a confirmation, and that's the space ended. Alright, so that was my video about Twitter Spaces tutorial for Android. I hope you found this particular information helpful. If you found the information helpful, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. This way I will be able to reach out to you whenever I upload a new video, and that is on a weekly basis. Also, in the next video I'll be talking about Twitter two-factor authentication. So I hope you like that particular video as well. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. That's about it from my end. I'll be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, keep watching the channel and keep